I love Fearless. I mean, what a story. I'm going to buy his coin from him, encourage him. Provided that you're not actually planning to kidnap the ambassador. Are you?
Don't be crazy. As soon as we get to Pretoria, he will realize himself that this is impossible.
Let's hope so, because you're crazy enough to do anything.
And still crazy for you.
And what's with this thing between you and Dolph?
Passionate, rampant, intense dislike. And what are you doing back here?
I'm a bit of a big deal in international conservation these days.
Ah, that's why Dolph sucks up to you.
I'm here to oversee a huge anti-poaching operation.
Wow, you hotshot.
Dolph better not find you here, or he'll be very angry.
But why is he so mean to you?
Maybe it's because I can't see clearly, and he thinks I'm useless.
Let's test you like the doctor tests my gogo. How about that?
All right.
How many fingers?
Yeah, well, you need to tell me when you have them up.
They're already up.
I told you, it doesn't work. You know they can fix me. Just one zap with the laser and I can see just like an eagle. But it's too expensive.
Scratchy, scratchy.
Morning, Ruby. I loved the time with you last night.
Good luck with the new job, Sonny.
I'll look you up and down.
You should be so lucky.
Next time I see you, bees on your bum is going to be the least of your worries.
Oh, man, your breath smells of food.
Boys, play nice. Fearless, be careful. Be fearless.
I will. Thank you for buying my coin, Ruby. Bye, Riney! I promise I'll come back.
Don't worry, Fearless. I'll keep an eye on her.
Ah, blind eye.
Dolphy, by the way, you remember that Krugerrand? You know, you searched me, remember? So I know you're a thief, so I swallowed it. And then I hooped it out just before you put it into your mouth.
Hasta la vista, baby!
Good job!
You like Sunny?
Don't be mad.
Civilization. How much?
100.
Hi, Cyril. Sonny Frank here. I applied for the job of chef on Rovos Rail. Yeah, sure, I can be there tonight. I came up specially. We can't look like tramps. We gotta dress up for the ambassador.
Hey, how much are they?
$50. Try them on. It's free to try.
Yeah, they good. Where you get them?
From the mortuary.
Mortuary.
From dead corpses.
My favorite, cooked sheep's head. Also a favourite in Aussie, but there they serve them without a brains. You've met a connoisseur, my babies. Ah. Delectable. How much?
$50, sir.
Thank you. Hey! Good dog, good dog. You piece of scum. You don't mess with dog.
Sonny, now we start our mission.
Okay. Do you know this address?
For the Cambodia embassy.
That's the train station.
No, we first go into the Cambodia embassy.
Listen, kid. We're going past the embassy now, quickly to do a recce, like I said. And then I gotta go to my interview.
And then we do what we came here for.
Right, like I said.
Because we're partners, like you said, Sonny.
Yes, yes, yes. No good. Let's go.
What are you guys doing here?
Recce's over. Click. Photographic memory.
And what's our
I
plan?
think you better leave.
We come back tomorrow.
We want to see the ambassador.
Oh, sorry, mate. Kids. Move.
We want to tell him to stop killing the rhino. Stop.
Fearless, no.
Stop killing the rhino. Stop killing the rhino.
Keep quiet!
Stop killing the rhino.
Hey,
Stop
Gaga.
killing the rhino.
We thought this was the Australian embassy, mate. Can't be, no sheep.
You murdered Ronnie's money.
Get out of here.
You murdered Ronnie's money.
Sorry, mate.
Listen, move!
Let me go.
I'm gonna arrest you!
Let me. Stop killing
Fearless!
me. Let me go.
Fearless! Get out of here! They're gonna kill us!
Come on.
Listen, I gotta go.
You were never going to help me.
It was a stupid plan.
It was your idea to kidnap the ambassador.
Yeah, and you had to start shouting, save the bloody rhino.
All you've done is lie. Why do you lie?
Bad things happen, even to rhinos.
Give me my money.
I'll pay you back.
I don't want your money. I needed your help.
Sorry.
Hey, mancane. Ubekwa yini la ngalesikhathi sobusuku?
So, I'm just trying to help the rhinos. Kodwa ngathi yonke into iyamosheka nje.
Oh, hayi. Khululeka mfana. Kumele uthandaze ucele emadlozi nakho.
Man, sister, kanjani abobani labo kuphi?
Awukahle. Uthe you are here for the rhinos, angithi?
Yebo, abobhejana.
Uyabona lapha ya. Mawujika nje uthi there's an ancestor.
Mina ngiyasaba.
Hayi.
Come in. Hi. Sonny Frank, chef.
Hi, Sonny. Welcome. Nice shirt.
Thank you.
Give me a moment. If your skills are what you say they are, you're on the train.
They call me Sonny Souffle.
Ah, lekker, Sonny Souffle.
Thank you, sir.
Through the jungle, I dreamed I was flying. A magnificent innocent creature lay dying. At her side, her calf softly cried.
Good news, Sonny. You want to hear some good news?
Yes.
You've got the job. You can start right away.
I'd like tomorrow.
Like right away. You've got your stuff, go and check in. Here's the job offer. I'm sure you'll be satisfied with the package. Just have a quick squeeze if you don't mind. Sonny? Sonny?
I don't want the job.
Sorry?
Yes, I am.
Sesifikile mfana, yabona le ndawo oyifunayo ilapha uyezwa. Woza-ke. Woza. Agodoli ke mfana uyezwa. Azo-ke.
Because I'm sorry to bother you. I just want to stop the suffering of all the rhinos. Like little Rhiny, whose mommy was killed and her horn was chopped. Babum Tuzu, Angas Bab, please help the rhinos. Nyakutela tusiza marhino, nyakutela Bab. But also help me. I'm trying to be brave, but I'm so small. I'm so frightened. Nyakutela Babum Tuzu, please.
Sonny, where are you gonna walk to now?
Fearless! Shut up! No, you shut up! No! I get it! I'm a fraud! I'm a liar! I'm a loser!
Why are you standing there shouting?
You want to hear a story? There's this kid named Fearless.
Sorry, Uban Stas.
6
6. Babum Tuzu, what do we do now?
I know what we're gonna do.
Sunny! How did you know where to come?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Believe me, I would.
I'm sorry, Fearless. I walked away from you, my only real friend. I'm so sorry. Allergy. City pollution. We will kidnap the ambassador.
Good Fleabag! Yes! We're gonna walk on team! We're gonna take what's ours!
What am I doing here? we're gonna be in big trouble. Fearless?
Sonny, what does an idea feel like?
Huh?
I think I'm getting one.
50 rand.
Sir, can you give me something to eat, please? I haven't had anything in 2 days' time. I've got a headache from hunger.
You give me a headache.
And it's gonna get worse.
Dog, don't do it. No, no.
What's going on back there?
Sonny, you don't want to know.
Lord help me. Hi, Gov. Minister of Arts and Culture.
Don't do it, dog.
What's happening back there?
Wait, wait, wait. Don't do it. Dog, please, please. No, 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 no.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Well, we're here.
Very disappointed in you, dog. Very disappointed.
No, he's a champ. She's out. We're in.
You smell like a zoo.
I'll get you for that strewn face. Hi.
Hello.
Are you from Cambodia?
Yes, I am.
You're very handsome.
Well, thank you.
Well, I think you're handsome. I usually wear glasses, but I decided to leave them at home today. So, you know. Fearless. Fearless. What are you doing here? If Ruby had to sing, you need to get up. Ah! Ah!
Yabo. Sonny, I found his office. Come.
Yes, yes. I'll see you later.
Let's look for clues. Come.
Just don't come back.
What if he comes back? What do we do then?
You hide in this cupboard.
But what about hostaging him?
Okay, if he sits down at his desk, you clobber him on the head with this thing, okay?
Sonny, I'm frightened.
Then stay in the cupboard. I'll be back. I gotta go, Ricky.
Little Ronnie, this is for your mommy.
All I can tell you for absolute certain is that he doesn't belong here.
Is that him?
Yes, it is.
Come in, come in. Is it all set up?
Shoot first. You see rhino horn, you take it. That's your motto. Here's your cash. 2 million. What is your motto?
Shoot first and take the horn.
Ha. Balance. Come and check.
Shoot first.
So. You happy?
A pleasure doing business with you.
Good luck.
Ambassador.
Dolph.
Yes. Now I can hear. Yeah, you'll have to speak up. I'm listening. Good. Right.
My auntie, I'll show you who's who in the zoo.
Excuse me. Do you have a tissue for it, please? Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me, Bab.
Sonny! Oh, dear.
And now, little Riney is without a mommy because of you! You, Mr. Ambassador! How would you like it if someone just cut off your nose? Huh? How would you like it?
Fearless! What?
Sonny, I've hostage
I
you.
didn't actually mean that you should do it. I'm very sorry about this, Your Highness. I love your country, especially the way you stuffed up those Americans.
What's going on?
We've hostaged him.
Oh, no, Sonny. You said that... Ambassador. Oh, you were right.
Sonny, Dolph was here with him. Dolph is a poacher and I heard them.
What?
Security!
You got it wrong.
The ambassador gave Dolph money to kill the rhino.
Dolph, get back here!
Dolph is on our side. He's leading a group of mercenaries that's going to bring the biggest poaching operation ever down. The ambassador is paying for it.
Call the police!
We're helping the rhinos.
No! The ambassador said shoot first and then take the horns. That's what you said.
That's our policy. Shoot first. Shoot the poachers first before they shoot the rhinos. Dolph's anti-poaching operation starts tomorrow.
So it's all sorted then?
You again.
Remember their kidnapping plan?
Wasn't mine.
Call the police! Lock them up!
Ambassador, we heard they planned back at the lodge. We never dreamed they would actually...
Take them back from where they came! Lock them up there! Down!
My pleasure, sir. Let's go. What's it over? First thing in the morning, they'll be back behind bars. Breaking and entering. Attempted kidnapping. Previous bodily harm. The boy might get off. But you, Sonny, 5 years behind real bars. Ruby, I'll see when it's over.
Yeah.
We're off. Half an hour.
Good luck, Dolph. Do it. Just do it.
I'm sorry I messed up your party.
I'll get you a good lawyer, Sonny. You'll get off.
And I'll cook you the best dinner of your life.
Deal.
Deal.
Fearless. I wish more people were as brave and as innovative as you.
Thank you.
I'll see you guys.
Fearless, I don't trust Dolph. Yes. Sorry, dog. MacGyver.
What's your plan?
Hold the door, we'll see. I'm sorry. It all ended like this. That might just do it. Okay. Oh, yes.
Wait, wait!
Open it! You go.
What?
Go home, Fearless. You'll get another chance to save the rhinos.
I'll never give up.
Jij boom van een warm.
What about you?
Who cares? Go visit Riney.
Come. And in the end, it was all for nothing. And now we're back where we started. I have to go and see my gogo. I'll visit you soon, Riney. Please, just stay. I'm sorry. Riney, please.
Combination excellent. The beauty. Wow, voilà. Come. All right. Be comfortable. Very important. Follow my instructions. No comments. Right. We all get paid.
Wait here.
Only one goes. And I'm so make sure you follow my instructions. Let's go! Remember it! I was on
Fearless? Fearless? Sonny, where's Fearless?
I don't know. Is he gone?
I don't know. Look at Dog. He's agitated. Something's wrong.
What's wrong?
Dolph's truck was parked here.
Fearless has gone with him.
But why? He could get himself killed.
I don't know, but I want to find out.
Ronnie, what's going on?
I'm going after them.
Come down!
Never, man. Moet sukele fela nakhona. Ena ba fetsa ba re gape. Fopula dintlha tsa bone.
By the time ba bona ba tlo re ba re ba tlhatla matlo ya ba tla ba check maybe ma 15 rhinos dead.
Well, I told you. So clever, man. Eh?
This is wrong.
Wrong. Beauty, Do you like money? Then think about the money. If you have money, you can go live in Dubai, eh? And be like a black princess. No! You don't need brains for that, eh? Who is your boss?
You are.
Yes, I am. You work for me. And everything I do is right. Everything I say is true.
Like Zuma.
Shalozi.
Baba.
You got that right. Don't forget that. Don't forget that.
No way she was gonna stay behind. I thought I'm never gonna see you again.
Dolph is not a ranger. He's the biggest poacher on Earth. And I heard the men talking.
What?
They're not gonna save the rhinos, Sonny. They're gonna kill them. They're all poachers.
Dolph.
We have to stop them.
They armed mercenaries, Fearless.
It's up to us.
Ruby! Yes, I found him, thank God. Listen, these men are the poachers. And Dolph is in... Hello? Ruby! Tell the Damn! We're going back.
What? No!
Fearless, if we tangle with those men, they're gonna kill you, me, Dog, and little Riney.
Dog, come with me. Riney, you stay with him.
Fearless!
It's time to walk on, Sonny!
Okay, we'll track them and see where they go. And then I'll call Ruby again and she'll tell the cops. Now that's really a good plan.
Who's this? Maybe a scout or a corrupt official. Beauty.
Why is she with them?
She doesn't look happy. First thing in the morning, before first light, those guys will be killing rhinos. Ruby. Come on. Damn! Damn, no signal.
Dog, what are you eating? Leave it!
Wow! Madwallas, magic mushrooms. These things affect your brain. You see things that aren't there. They'll make Dog go crazy. They'll make a whole bloody army go mad crazy. Then put them to sleep.
which might just tip the balance.
Sussex saying is massive in the morning. We go out for it. It's a little bit distance out of money. I want you to come to us. Mess up.
I'm frightened.
Me too. Only fools don't get frightened.
We're gonna have to cross.
Okay, go, go.
What are you doing here?
boss.
Spy. Who are you with?
Nobody.
Please, God, no. Hey, wait. That bastard son, eh?
boss.
How did you get here?
I came in your truck.
No. Go, boss.
Fearless.
Beauty, the track. Helena, spread. Find them. Shoot them. Kill them. And Nina, spread around. Abana. I'm trying to shoot to kill. You too. Get on fire. Get on.
Please don't hurt him.
I won't have to. I'm just going to prepare him for the feast.
Dog, find Fearless. Oh no, the mushrooms.
Ronnie, watch him. Okay?
Yes.
Lambile baba.
Boss, boss.
Yeah, what's on my daughter? Yes, you are my nyama, son.
Boys, first light. Pow, pow, pow. And we're out. All right? Good.
Boss, what did you do with Fearless?
I did something that bastard Sonny will never forget. And you, my beauty, you don't want to go that way. Okay? Cook him.
Bayazi, boss.
Master Chef.
Chuma.
Under that way, huh?
Fearless! Fearless!
I wish you nightmares from hell.
Fearless. Fearless.
Wake up. Fearless. That way. Somewhere. Go. Find him. Go. Riley, avenge your mother! Go! Okay. Go, you bastard!
You're a lion! Run! Lion! No! You're going to die! In the
Okay. All right. I can't see you clearly. I saw your hands are tied. What? Stay calm now. Stay calm. Relax. You should stay calm. Yes. I'm gonna touch you. Yeah, take the knife. And you're cutting it.
Please don't hurt her. She's just a baby, please.
I need to hurt her. I need her infant horn. She got away last time.
You killed her, Mommy!
And now it's her turn.
No! Don't be crazy!
Please don't do it, dog!
No!
Please!
This is worth $1 million to me. Now.
Nice catch, beauty.
Riley! Riley! I was so frightened. I thought I'd never see you again.
I thought I was never gonna see you alive.
I need to pull this out. There I was so worried about you, Riley. I can't believe. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Fearless, you are the bravest man I have ever seen, and dog, you are a super flea bear.
Oh, Sonny, thank you.
And we, the Nambodian government, will play our part in ending rhino poaching in Africa and wiping out evil trade in rhino horn worldwide.
Thank you, Ambassador, for hosting this event. Sonny, Fearless, Dog, and Riney, you did something so truly imaginative. It has given new impetus to saving our rhino from extinction. And now, the person who set this whole wonderful adventure in motion, Fearless. Fearless.
Come with me, Rainy. I am a child from the tribe called People. And I have this to say to the animal tribe with whom we share our earth. Rainy, I am so sorry for the pain that we have caused to your tribe. I'm sorry about the greed, the cruelty, and our killings. Please forgive us. And I pray to God of all the tribes that He would lead us to a beautiful and better beginning. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fearless Spectre.
One zap from the surgeon,
and I can see like an eagle. Chef Sonny Frank, this place looks awesome.
I did it for you, Ruby.
Sonny, you did it for yourself.
Wow, Sonny, could you teach me how to do that?
Me too!
yeah, yeah.